Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to talk about a device by Motorola that will be a mishmash of Samsung, Apple, Honor and Huawei's design. So guys, if you remember the Motorola P30, you may recall it for its striking resemblance to the iPhone X. But now the Motorola P40 is rumored to adopt a design that will be hybrid of Huawei, Honor, Samsung and Apple's designs. The Motorola P40 is not yet officially launched, but the rumors and leaks are building up a comprehensive design for us before the launch. The renders of the device published recently show the device having a design similar to that of the iPhone X from the back, as the renders show the similar positioning of the dual lens setup, the flash, and the fingerprint scanner. And the front of the P40 is similar to the front of the recently launched devices by Honor, Huawei, and Samsung, the Honor View 20, the Samsung Galaxy S8, and the Nova 4. As the renders show a punch hole design on the front of the P40. But the hole shown in the renders is quite big, which means that it will match in measures the hole on the Galaxy S8 and not the hole we see in the Honor's View 20. The renders apparently measure a 6.2-inch screen that is surrounded by slim bezels and a larger chin. The body may be made of glass and have a curved edge. So now if we talk about the specifications, we only know about the processor that is rumored to be a Snapdragon 636 processor and the camera on the back, which is considered to be a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 like we see in the Honor View 20 and the Huawei Nova 4. The phone will likely use Android One as its operating system based on the brandings we see on the renders. A 3.5mm headphone jack will also get featured. I don't have much information about the arrival of the P40, but I can only assume that as the P30 arrived in China on August 2018, so we can assume that the P40 will arrive in August 2019. But this name will only be used in China. And if it does get released to the wider international audience, it will use the Motorola One name. Okay guys, that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, like this video and comment down your questions in the comment section below. I will show you how to answer them. Also, turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified about my future videos. I'll see you in my next video, but for now, let's call it a day.